Hi guys, I'm Nat.
And I'm Megan.
And we are the Endless Travellers.
So for the next 3 weeks, we're going to be travelling all over Morocco, from the Medinas of Marrakech to the sands of the Sahara.
All while showing you the best things to do, see and eat. So I think next stop, the airport.
Let's go!
From a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep a linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be.
So we're in Riyadh Tagine, but it's about €21 a night for both of us, which isn't too bad. Got like a nice double room with a little ensuite, toilet and shower. So yeah, it seems quite nice. We've also had our first call to prayer here. It's loud. It's right there. I think it goes off every morning and day. Yeah. So nice wake up call.
Yeah. We've got earplugs.
Yeah. We're looking forward to exploring tomorrow and seeing what Marrakech has in hold. We've just come up this morning for a little wander, got up quite early to beat the crowds and heat, so it's quite cool at the moment.
Definitely recommend getting up early.
Yeah, but like we've got Koutoubia Mosque right here, which seems really nice. The architecture is really cool. Koutoubia Mosque was founded in 1147 and the tower stands at 77 meters tall, which means it's the tallest mosque in Marrakech.
It literally means the one of the booksellers, so it's because they were like the souk just outside had hundreds of booksellers in it, so they named the mosque after that.
And unfortunately, it's forbidden to go in the mosque if you're not Muslim, unlike other places like Turkey where you can go in, but here unfortunately we can't, but which means we can admire it from the outside.
And it is beautiful from the outside, so highly recommend coming to see it.
Definitely. There's loads of cats around here, lots of strays. So we've just come to the other side of the mosque.
Now this side is all little like stumps. So this was the original prayer hall of the mosque, and each of the stumps were like the original like pillars and columns that were in the mosque. It's believed to have crumbled during the 1755 Lisbon earthquake and crushed hundreds of people on its way down. So it's left here as kind of like a memorial.
You know what they say, it never really can.
So we just had
an experience.
We were literally just walking through the square back from the mosque.
Getting ready to go back to the hostel for our breakfast.
Free breakfast, can't miss it. Like a tour guide came up to us.
He said he worked
for the government and everything.
He seemed like fairly like legit, and
then he was taking us, like telling us all the stuff, and then started taking us around the souks and around.
It was like really interesting. He told us about like the tower and like why it's 77 meters tall, because it's a lucky number, and then 7 add 7 is 14, which is the century.
And the triangle of wood is the direction to Mecca. The first door is the door of men, the second door is the catacomb for dead people, the third door is the door of women.
And then walked around the souks and telling us to like take photos.
But it seemed like he was planning to take us around everywhere.
We were like, we have to get back to our hostel for breakfast, and I think if we didn't say that, we would
have been there all day.
Yeah, I think it was meant to be like a 2-hour tour or something, but it was like a really good tour and stuff.
And it was really, like, it was genuine.
Yeah, and it was really
like a little badge on.
Yeah, and it was like really helpful and stuff, and like told us like what to do and how not to get scammed, and like people like grabbing your hands and like how to react to that.
Yeah,
it was like really useful.
Yeah, definitely.
And then he showed us this little like argan oil and spice shop.
Yeah.
And then we got taken upstairs, got about 20 different oils,
got a full
and
canvas session.
I know it was quite.
It was literally showing
intense.
Everything.
Yeah.
And again, we had to say like,
We
really
have
sorry,
to go.
we need to leave.
Yeah.
But my hands
Yeah.
feel very soft now.
It's really nice.
And probably the best tip we were given: if there's the Moroccan flag above the door of a shop, it means it's government
approved, which
so
is good.
You can trust it.
So we're gonna keep an eye out for them.
Yeah.
But I think we're just gonna head back to our hostel now and get some free breakfast, and then head out again and explore. So we're just having a little walk around the souks. It is a maze.
You can tell why people get lost.
Yeah.
But it's so amazing.
Yeah.
We're trying to like walk quickly so people don't stop us.
Everyone stops you, trying to get you to buy whatever they're
So we're
selling.
just trying to ignore people and just walk past quickly.
Yeah.
Kind of glancing at things, but not
because
stopping to look.
if you stop and look, you will buy. You don't really get a choice in it. Wide variety of things, from like belts and shoes to rugs and lamps and God knows what else.
And I think we're lost already.
Yeah, we are definitely lost. I have no idea where we are.
How did you expect?
No, we thought it'd be a lot of like pushing you to buy stuff.
In like Greece and like Athens.
Yeah. But yeah, we have no idea where we're going. Let's go this way. That is how we decide which way looks alright. We go that way.
Yep.
So yeah, we're just going to wander around for a bit longer, see what we find. We're trying to find stuff, but it's hard to find stuff without looking too hard, because then they will stop you. But hopefully we succeed.
So we have just come to Cafe des Épices, and it's got this amazing rooftop with beautiful views over the souks, right by a square, right in the centre of the souks, and right next to one of the biggest, most famous carpet shops in Marrakech. So we're getting an orange juice, and we're going to sit here and cool off for a bit because it's about 40 degrees out now.
The prices are a bit more expensive than like the little market places, but worth it for the view.
Yeah, so even if you passed the best orange juice I've ever had, highly recommend.
So we've just bought something.
The one thing we were looking for, especially for me, to cover my shoulders and stuff, was a scarf.
So we managed to get, they originally wanted one scarf for 350 dirham, managed to get it down to 2 for 150. Don't know if it's a good price.
No.
If you've been here and got cheaper, let us know.
Let us know. We think
don't
it's
know,
alright,
but we like bought one and they didn't have like a nice colour for Megan, so he just like walked into other people's shops, took them off the shelves.
Got 50 change from someone.
Yeah, didn't have change, so just asked someone else for some money. But they seem like nice scarves, and hopefully we can wear them and look a bit, fit in a bit more. But
it was our first time haggling.
Yeah,
so
we think we did alright. We'll have to find out when we get home.
Yeah.
the Medina. We've got our orange juice.
We're literally living on orange juice, it's so refreshing.
Yeah. There's about 20, 30 different stalls all selling the same thing, all about the same price.
Crazy, like everyone's shouting out to you, people coming up begging for money.
Yeah, literally as soon as you like walk past, not even like make eye contact, there's people like, yeah, come over, and we're just like, we don't know where to go.
It's crazier in the main square than in the actual souks.
Yeah.
This is where you need to watch yourself.
Yeah, this is where like people with cobras and monkeys will just jump on you and start hassling you for money if you take photos or even point a camera their way. So you just have to be careful what you do or who you look at.
But highly recommend the orange juice.
Yeah.
Definitely needed when it's 40 degrees out.
5 dirham, not too bad. Refreshing.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count.
We're at Bahia Palace. It basically means beautiful palace. It's 150 different elaborate rooms that was built in 1866.
It's really, really beautiful.
Really beautiful.
The different colours, tiles, like it's so ornate and detailed, everything. The ceilings are incredible to literally look up. So we got here at about, what, 3:30?
Yeah.
And it is quite busy now, so possibly go earlier. We read online that if you go sort of mid to late afternoon, it's quieter.
Yeah, but it closes at 5.
So I'd probably recommend going first thing in the morning if you want to come here. It is getting a little bit busy now. So.
Yeah, even though it's like half an hour till closing.
Yeah.
But we're just going to finish wandering around and then maybe see if we've got time for the tombs.
Yeah.
Touch feels, I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave.
Did you see the person who like made a beeline straight towards us when you're like napping?
Like it's organic.
Yeah, it was like, don't panic, it's organic.
Guys, what do you need? You look starving.
Something like that. So we've just come out to this little restaurant for dinner. We've both got tagine, we've got vegetable, I've got chicken. It's hot, I can hear it sizzling. So we've got this really nice view over the Medina. It's very hectic, but it's quite nice just like observing and not having to deal with lots of people at once, just like relaxing and enjoying a nice meal. So a tagine is a like local cuisine here in Morocco, and it's basically like a stew, like mine's a chicken stew, and the name tagine comes from the clay pot it's actually cooked in, which is quite cool. Like this is the pot and it's got like a little lid that they take off, so it's cooked in the pot and then everything's steaming hot when it arrives. We've just finished.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
So in total it was what?
150, so about £14 or so.
It's not bad, like 2 meals.
Yeah.
It was an incredible view.
Yeah. Got some local music playing in the background.
And the thing I like is that it hasn't been hard to find anywhere that's vegetarian. You normally really, really struggle to find vegetarian places.
They seem to all
Quite
have like
easy.
vegetable tagine or vegetable couscous. looking forward to trying some more local cuisine. So we've just finished the night off with some ice creams.
They cost about like 8p each.
Yeah, so can't complain. Just need something to cool us down.
Something a bit refreshing.
Yeah, and then just gonna have a nice relaxing evening, redo some editing, and then go to bed for another hectic day tomorrow.
Yes. It's been a good one.
Yeah, it's been nice.